Video number 6. Making your EV3 robot speak. First, drag the sound block up next to the play block. Click on the first button. You can choose out of play file, play tone, or play note. I will choose play file. Next, choose the volume of the sound. I am going to choose 65. The next button determines how many times the robot will play the sound. Choose out of wait for completion, play once, and repeat. I'm going to choose play once. Here comes the fun part. Choosing the type of sound. Go in the box in the top right hand corner. Click on it. You can choose out of many other sounds though. Animals, English words, machine sounds. Here, I am going to do up. The sound will play right then and there.
Touch.
I'll choose start. Okay, well that's how you make your EV3 robot speak. Thanks for watching.